Hello and welcome to Arcos Storage. Today, we'll go over how storage auctions work, focusing on 5 key points. Storage auctions happen when storage units are not paid for. The facility sells the contents to recover the lost rent. Before an auction, the storage facility gives public notice, often through local newspapers or online listings. This ensures the process is fair and legal. On auction day, potential buyers are usually allowed a brief view of the unit from the outside. They can't touch or go through the items inside. Bidding typically starts low and goes higher until the highest bidder wins. Auctions can be live, online, or both. Winners must pay immediately, usually with cash. They must also empty the unit within a specified time, often 24 to 48 hours. Understanding the auction process can help you make informed decisions and potentially find valuable items. For clean, safe, and secure self-storage, visit Arcos Storage at www.arcosstorage.com. Thanks for watching.